Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. In today's video, we are going to discuss about simple, basic and very easy ways to stay fit mentally in this COVID-19 pandemic. Before getting started, if you are new to my channel, like this video, share this video, subscribe my channel, press a bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. COVID-19 pandemic have affected the whole world. It is being about 6 to 7 months that we are surrounded by this pandemic. There are various statistical studies made which are giving general idea about when will be the end of this COVID-19 pandemic. Looking at all these conditions of pandemic since a very long time, mentally every one of us is suffering from confusion, fear, irritability and anxiety. The sudden change in our day-to-day lifestyle have disturbed many of us from all age groups. Let's start from children first. Children are disturbed because they cannot go out for playing with their friends. They have to stay indoors for longer time, which is very difficult for them. Changes in the study pattern. Classroom studies have changed to online studies. Because of this, children are facing difficulties in their studies. Next comes the teenagers. Teenagers are missing their college days and lectures. They are unable to spend time with their friends. They are facing educational loss as it is a turning point of their life. Changes like online studies from home, recurrent changes in timetable, fear of exam, fear of result have disturbed them mentally to a great extent. Because of these changes, they have started feeling loneliness and depressed. Adults. Adults are suffering from insecurity of job, deduction in salary, fear of losing job. They are facing financial problems. As this age group is surrounded by lots of responsibility, there is also a fear of getting infected by COVID-19. Adults are even facing lot of difficulties in work from home pattern. This age group is suffering from depression, anxiety about future due to present condition. Now comes housewives. Housewives have lot of responsibilities. And in this COVID-19 pandemic, their responsibilities have increased more. Like, first of all, they have to take care of health of whole family. They have to continuously look towards children as they are at home. Help them in their online studies. They have to take special care of senior citizens in their family. This group is on constant work, so they easily get irritated, lose their temper, and most of the time they neglect their health while taking care of other family members. So, in this pandemic condition, they cannot go outside to meet their friends, to spend time with them, to feel relaxed in their busy schedule. And hence, this group is constantly disturbed. Now comes the most important part of our family, that is, our grandparents, senior citizen. This age group have become more panic, fearful, anxious of getting infected by COVID-19, as already they are suffering from some diseases like diabetes, hypertension, rheumatism, cardiovascular diseases. Because of these diseases, their immunity power is reduced. Even they cannot go outside for a walk, to exercise, to meet their friends, to feel relaxed. So, they are also feeling depressed and panic these days. After looking at all these challenges, we have some solution. As to every problem, there is a solution. ऐसा कहा गया है कि समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता. समय हर समय को बदल देता है. बस समय को थोड़ा समय चाहिए. बुरे वक्त में भी एक अच्छाई होती है. समय की एक बात अच्छी है कि जैसा भी समय होता है बीत जाता है, पर इस समय इस कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक में हमें अपने आप में कुछ बदलाव करने होंगे, कुछ चेंजेस करने होंगे। हमें हमारी नेगेटिव थॉट्स, डर, चिंता, टेंशन, स्ट्रेस, इन सभी चीज़ों को बदलना होगा। हमें हमारी सोच बदलनी होगी। तो चलिए देखते हैं हमें क्या चेंजेस करने होंगे। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1, स्टे पॉजिटिव, थिंक पॉजिटिव। हमें हर समय सकारात्मक यानी कि पॉजिटिव सोच रखनी होगी। अब हम पॉजिटिव कैसे सोचेंगे? इसके लिए हमें हमारे माइंड में पॉजिटिव थॉट्स रखने होंगे, जैसे मैं सुरक्षित हूँ, मेरा परिवार सुरक्षित है, मैं मानसिक और शारीरिक रूप से स्वस्थ हूँ। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 2, टू टेक हेल्दी डाइट। हमें हेल्दी डाइट लेना चाहिए जिसमें प्रोटीन, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का समावेश हो। हमें फ्रेश फ्रूट्स, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स की मात्रा हमारे डाइट में बढ़ानी होगी, जिससे हमारी इम्यूनिटी पावर यानी कि रोग प्रतिकार शक्ति स्ट्रांग होगी और हम फिजिकली, मेंटली फिट महसूस करेंगे, हेल्दी महसूस करेंगे और हम डिसीज फ्री भी रहेंगे। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 3, टेक अ साउंड स्लीप. Sound sleep for 7 to 8 hours daily. It will keep your mind quite calm, relaxed and fresh, but also help you feel energized whole day. Solution number 4, exercise, physical and mental. Physical exercises, 30 minutes workout daily. It must include yoga, walking, cardio, breathing exercises. Mental exercises like meditation for 30 minutes daily. All this will not only balance mind and body but will also regulate the normal hormonal balance of our body, which will make you feel fit mentally, keep you away from overthinking, negative thoughts, anxiety, stress, tension and fear of COVID-19 pandemic. Solution number 5, focus. But where? Only on positive things. इस कोरोना महामारी में हमें अपना ध्यान पॉजिटिव यानी कि सकारात्मक बातों पर ही रखना चाहिए। अगर हम हमारा ध्यान नकारात्मक बातों पर केंद्रित करेंगे तो हमें हर जगह हमारे माइंड में नेगेटिव सोच ही आएगी, नेगेटिव, और हम मेंटली डिस्टर्ब होंगे और हमारा स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ेगा। यही अगर हम पॉजिटिव बातों पर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित करेंगे तो हमें पॉजिटिव सोच आएगी और हम मेंटली स्ट्रांग फील करेंगे। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 6, कीप योरसेल्फ बिजी. इन दिस पैनिक सिचुएशन वी मस्ट कीप आवरसेल्फ बिजी इन डूइंग सम वर्क. हमें अपने आप को बिजी रखना चाहिए कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ में। हमें ऐसे काम करना चाहिए कि जहाँ पर हमें खुशी महसूस हो. वी मस्ट बी प्रोडक्टिव, क्रिएटिव, ट्राई डूइंग समथिंग न्यू which makes you feel happy. Solution number 7, pursue your hobby. Continue your hobby such as reading books, painting, listening good music, gardening. This all things will help you to feel peaceful and fresh mentally to the great extent. Solution number 8, don't be panic. We should not become panic and fearful by watching and reading the news of COVID-19. इस महामारी में हमें दिन भर कोविड-19 की न्यूज़ नहीं देखनी चाहिए। इससे हमारे मन में डर और नकारात्मक सोच को बढ़ावा मिलता है और हम मेंटली डिस्टर्ब होते हैं। इसलिए हमें दिन में कुछ समय के लिए ही कोविड-19 की न्यूज़ देखनी चाहिए। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 9, maintain hygiene, cleanliness and sanitization. We must maintain strict personal hygiene, cleanliness of our house and surrounding nearby. हमें स्वच्छता और सैनिटाइजेशन का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। अपने आप की पर्सनल हाइजीन भी मेंटेन करनी चाहिए। अपने घर में और घर के आसपास भी स्वच्छता का पूरा ध्यान रखना चाहिए। इससे हमें कई सारे फ़ायदे होंगे। पहला, हमारे आसपास सफाई होगी तो बीमारी फैलने के चांसेस भी कम होंगे। दूसरा, अपने आसपास सफाई और स्वच्छता को देख हमें प्रसन्नता होगी और मेंटली हम फ्रेश फील करेंगे। सॉल्यूशन नंबर 10, time management. Management of time is very important in these days because many of us are having work from home. So, we must manage our time for duty hours. Along with that, we must take out some time for daily workout for 30 to 45 minutes. Spend time with family, parents, and children. Proper sleep and rest time. Management of these things will make us feel mentally relaxed and calm with work from home schedule. Solution number 11, helping and sharing. इस कोरोना महामारी में हमें हमारे आसपास के ज़रूरतमंद लोगों को मदद करनी चाहिए। ये मदद हम किसी भी रूप में कर सकते हैं। ज़रूरतमंद लोगों को मदद करने से हमें मानसिक समाधान मिलेगा और हमें खुशी महसूस होगी। Now, at the end, let's see the bonus tip to stay fit mentally. First, accept the current situation. Second, explore yourself. Third, be kind and helpful to everyone because lot of people are facing problem. Fourth, nothing is permanent in life. Even this pandemic period. Everything changes as time passes. So friends, follow all these tips, stay fit, stay healthy. And even after following all these tips, if you feel depressed, anxious, panic, please take homeopathic medicine after consulting a homeopathic doctor. Because in homeopathy, we have lots of medicine to treat depression, anxiety, panic state with magical results. So friends, these were the tips and tricks to stay fit mentally. Like this video, share this video with your family and friends as every one of us is in need of these tips to stay fit mentally in this pandemic. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.